Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are the big fines today. Okay, now let's learn the expression self-introduction. Well, this is your first day of school. You meet new friends and new teachers here. How do you introduce yourself? What do you say to talk yourself? What expression do you use? Now let's learn it. For the expression. How you introduce yourself. Now what you say? For another, would you please watch the video to show you how to use the expression of self-introduction. Now this is your assignment to use the expression of self-introduction speech. Now there are two examples here, A and B. And then for your turn here, now would you please write the same as the example given. Thank you.